welcome back to my channel. Stop scrolling if you want to create unlimited AI images for free without login, without limits. Then this website is for you. Today I am going to show you how to use this tool step by step. First open the website Perchance AI. Open the link. As you can see, the interface is very simple and beginner friendly. Now click on the text box and type your prompt like a YouTuber, art style selected, casual photo, cinematic, digital painting, concept art, it's anything. Select the shape, portrait, square, landscape. How many pictures? Now click on the generate. Now the AI is generating the image. Let's see what kind of the result we get.
Control, control.
Wow, these actually look amazing. The detail, lighting and quality are really impressive, especially for a free tool. Now if you want to more results, simply click generate again. Each time you will get a different image. Very beautiful. The best part is no login required, unlimited generations, completely free. This make it perfect for beginner and content creators. So this is how you can create AI images using Perchance for free. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below what kind of image will you create.